Are you looking for the Joy Xtra cutting machine? In this video we will show the 5 Joy Xtra cutting machine. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 5. Cricut Joy Xtra cutting machine. Brand, Cricut. Material, plastic. Color, white. Product dimensions 12.5-inch dx 15.22 wx 5.5h. Active surface area 218.75 square centimeters. Works with 50 plus materials, including popular materials like vinyl, iron-on and cardstock. Compatible with your home inkjet printer to print then cut full-color designs. Cuts intricate designs with precision. Writes, draws, foils, scores, and more. Free, easy-to-learn Design Space app. Upload and cut your own designs or choose from the Cricut Design Space library. Number 4. 3-in-1 carrying case for Cricut Joy Xtra. Dust cover for cutting machine. Accessories tote bag, fully open design storage bag. Compatible with all the craft essential tools and supply. 3-in-1 carrying case. This 3-in-1 storage bag integrates storage, dust prevention, and working mode, easy operation without moving the machine. Detachable thick end pad is dustproof, one-stop storage bag, compatible with 12-inch by 8.5-inch cutting mat and 12-inch long vinyl roll. Fully open design, no worry about the cutting mat being blocked when the cutting machine is working, enough storage for Joy Xtra all things. When the cutting machine is working, you can still easily pick up any tools and accessories from the carrying case. Multiple pockets, many pockets to make your material and tool organized, large size pocket for extra vinyl sheets and vinyl roll, even the 12-inch long vinyl, easily storage 12 by 8.5 cutting mat, specially designed pen and weeding tool storage compartment, 2 side pockets could storage power cord and brayer roller. 3 ways to carry. 3 ways to carry make your travel more convenient and efficient. Handle strap and shoulder strap is durable, help you carry your extra cutting machine and supplies easily and fast. The luggage sleeve is also suitable for suitcase, make your travel and work more convenient. Number 3. Likcut Vinyl Cutter Machine. Upgrade cutting machine Glias 501 for DIY Joy. Portable smart cutting tool for crafter. Sticker decal maker printing for family and school fun projects and decorations. Brand, Likcut. Material, plastic. Color, pink. Active surface area, 310.4 square centimeters. Operation mode, automatic. Upgrade vinyl cutter, Likcut Glias 501, a new pink-colored DIY smart cutting machine, easy for all to create crafting fun wherever inspiration strikes and let DIY space can be appealing. Versatile cutter machine, Likcut pink and white vinyl machine can cut over 46 materials, from vinyl to cardstock, iron-on transfers, and even matless smart material. The cuts are precise and clean for DIY crafting projects. Creativity expanding, S501 cutter is ideal for Cricut vinyl cutting, scrapbooking, card making, and home, party organization. Helps all age to create, cut, and craft with joy and confidence, suitable for family projects and school assignments. Multiple connectivity, cutting made easy with Likcut S501 cutter machine. Enjoy seamless connections across mobile, tablet, and PC devices. Experience quick DIY projects wherever you are. Applicable to sticker craft, label print, and vinyl cut. Easy to set up and use, the Likcut S501 is DIY creating machine for anyone new to crafting with AI-enhanced precision. Setup is straightforward, and the Likcut design store is very user-friendly. Number 2. Likcut Vinyl Cutter Machine. Smart Sticker Maker Glias 501 for DIY Joy, portable cutting tool for crafting beginner, compact design for home and school craft projects, DIY home decor. Brand, Likcut. Material, plastic. Color, blue. Active surface area, 10 inches by 10 inches. Operation mode, automatic. Intuitive software, with the Likcut Glee Vinyl Cutter, you don't need any experience to create stunning DIY projects. Just follow a few simple steps to bring your creative ideas like cards and home decor to life. Stable, reliable connectivity. With Bluetooth 5.0 and USB 2.0 options, Likcut Smart Cutter Machine connect in just 3 seconds. Enjoy uninterrupted creativity without worrying about wireless interference or connection drops. Built-in front cover storage. The front cover of the vinyl cutter doubles as a convenient storage space for tools and materials. Keep your workspace clean and organized with quick access to the tools you need for your next project, ideal for school projects, DIY crafts, and more. Compact and portable design. Likcut Vinyl Sticker Maker compact size makes it the ideal choice for small spaces or on-the-go crafting. Whether you're designing home decoration or adding a personal touch to your party decor, you can take your vinyl printer anywhere and set it up in seconds. Learn, create, and share with Likcut. Get access to beginner-friendly tutorials, easy guides, and an active online community that will help you every step of the way. Whether you're creating for memory keeping or exploring new DIY projects, Likkut's community makes crafting fun and accessible. Number 1. Cricut Joy Xtra Digital Version. Brand, Cricut. Material, plastic. Color, white. Operation mode, automatic. Print media paper, plain. Digital content bundle. This Cricut machine bundle comes with a digital library of 30 images. In setting up the machine, you will be guided to register and the digital content will automatically be entitled to your account. Endless crafting potential. Works with 50+ materials, including popular materials like vinyl, iron-on and cardstock. The Cricut Joy Xtra writes, draws, foils, scores, and more. Print then cut features. Compatible with your home inkjet printer to print then cut full-color designs. Access to beginner's guides, expert LED courses and workshops. Build the skills to create with confidence with the learning plan built into Design Space upon registering your machine. We'll walk you through everything you need to know to get started on day 1. Design app with endless possibilities. Use with Cricut Design Space, our free app to kickstart and customize your projects. Design Space assists you through selecting your materials and utilizing the right tools. iOS, Android, Windows, and Mac. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.